We are back in Leo's room and we are gonna start on his Christmas tree. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna show you all the ornaments that I have and I will have links down below, so if you are interested. Also, don't forget to check out Treetopia's YouTube channel. I'll have a link down below. I have a full review and unboxing of this beautiful Color Blast Christmas tree. I was inspired to decorate this Christmas tree all superheroes because Leo loves Marvel and Avengers. If you're interested in seeing the full review on this gorgeous Christmas tree, all you have to do is click right here. I'll have a link to Treetopia's YouTube channel where I unbox it and review this gorgeous tree. Here we have the ribbon that I'll be using, and it matches Captain America, Spider-Man, and Hulk. And every time I do a new loop, I make sure that I hook it with the branch. I'm going to do it throughout the whole tree. Have a much better view. I was kind of having to go down because it was too low, the camera, so far. And I'm just going to continue to do that throughout the tree. I only did 3 rows of the blue ribbon. Now I'm going to jump into the red ribbon to put it on this side. If I was too, I was going to jump on top of Leo's couch, but we're good. Keep going on loops, and I'm going one this way, one the other way, just to give it a different pattern. This is the first time that Leo has his own Christmas tree, so I'm really excited for him to see it all put together. The green one, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna figure out together. And also, you guys, I am not a pro. I just go with the flow, see what works, see what doesn't. I will switch it up until I feel like it looks right or it looks pretty or even, whatever the case may be, if I'm feeling uncomfortable. This tree is looking like a Captain America tree for sure. We're gonna move on to the green ribbon, and I think I'm gonna add it to the back of the tree. Alright, I think Leo's coming.
Wow.
Am I doing a good job?
I want to build Legos.
You want to build Legos? Well, let me finish with this and then I can let you build Legos. Which one is your favorite color?
Blue.
The blue one? So do you want me to put more blue, or do you want me to just... Is that enough or more?
Blue.
More blue?
Yeah, I don't want to, I want you to take these off.
What? He wants those off?
I like blue.
Are you kidding me? Well, I think this is going to be nice. What if I just do
No,
one...
This is my favorite color though.
Blue? Okay. Can I just leave those two? Just so that we have other colors too? Oh, I have an idea. Just wait until it's done, okay? Wow, that looks beautiful. Red. Oh, he wants to change it to his Captain America. He wants me to get rid of this and just do blue. I told him I'm just going to leave this too.
That's my favorite color.
It's your favorite color. But we also have Spider-Man and Hulk. So, it's a superhero tree.
Oh.
Alright? Is that a cool idea? He didn't
Why
know
is
that.
it a superhero tree?
Well, because your room is superheroes, so I thought I would surprise you. Next thing I'll be doing, I'm going to be adding the pics. Since he wants everything to be blue, but I thought just to keep...
Actually, a superhero tree.
You like a superhero tree, so should I keep going? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, so he gave me the go. The other day I went to the 99-cent store and I found this beautiful sparkly ornaments. So I'll be using those for the tree. I did buy a few, I want to say like 12 of them. I wanted this ornament to be the main focus of the tree. This is the first time I ever record myself decorating the Christmas tree. I usually just go and decorate. But I'm really glad that I'm able to share with you guys how I do things. I mean, my trees are not perfect, but they look fun, they look cute. And for the main tree, I do plan on using ribbon as well. Every single tree in my house, I will be using ribbon. I am not sure how many trees I'll be using. And I know I keep saying that because so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees up. And then I'm gonna do the girls' room too, so that's 6. And then I have 3 more in the garage, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring them all out or just leave it like that. I know it might be a little too much for you guys, but I just wanted to bring all the trees out this year. The kids are little, they're really gonna enjoy it and remember the fun memories that we're gonna be making this Christmas year. Just finished putting the blue ornaments on the tree. Now I'm gonna work on the tree topper with my picks. I want to keep it simple. I don't want to do too much because I know that Leo might want to mess with the tree, and we're trying to prevent it from, you know, having too much where everyone gravitates to the tree, even the girls. So I want to keep it very simple, see how this goes, and then I'll see how I will be decorating the girls' tree, if I am gonna go all out or just keep it simple. This is what I did to my picks right now. I'm just gonna make them look pretty and open them up because right now they look like this.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
I did glue 3 ornaments together with my hot glue, and I'm just gonna be putting them all around the tree so you guys will see how they'll look. I picked these 3 colors, which is green, red, and blue, and I did make more of the blue ones because he said he wanted blue. So if I would have known that Leo was gonna want a blue tree, I would have made it all blue only. But this is gonna work out. Leo and I thought if we put all of the superheroes on the tree, it will make it even look better. So here we have it, but we're not done yet, so.
Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing?
Alright you guys, I think we're pretty much done decorating the tree. And now I'm going to work on the skirt and just kind of organizing the room so that I can show you guys the final look. Don't forget to check out the full unboxing and review on my Treetopia Color Blast Christmas tree on Treetopia's YouTube channel. I'll have a link down below. Be sure to check it out. But yes, you guys, this is the tree and I think it looks great. I love that we added all the superheroes into the tree so they're part of the decoration. And it turned out beautiful. I thought Leo was going to be leaning more towards a red tree, so I brought up our red pillows, but since he wants blue, I have blue and red, so I will be using this for under the tree. I do have a red skirt, but he wants everything blue. I will use the red pillows to give it some volume down there, just like that, and then I will cover it up with the throw that we have here, and you see it will look more fluffy. Ooh. There you go, you guys. Super easy, and I like that it gives it a really full look. You can just perfect it too, just like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this method before. I did it last year and the year before, and my tree skirt turned out really nice. If you try to purchase a skirt that is big, they're usually expensive. This is a nice way that you can create the illusion of a big skirt and fluffy, but it's just pillows. And it's a lot cheaper too. Another reason why I like using throw blankets under the tree as tree skirts is because I can always use them throughout the year. So I try to find a really nice throw on blanket at Home Goods or online. I'll link some down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, that's what I do, and then I use it throughout the year, so I get a lot of use out of it because tree skirts are expensive, like I mentioned, and you only use them for Christmas. So I think the best way to go is to buy something that you're going to use multiple times. And right now, nowadays, I'm all about finding different ways to save money and also to use my decor as much as I can throughout the year. So there you have it, you guys. I want to show you guys what this remote can do, and I go into full details on the review that I have for you guys at Treetopia's YouTube channel.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Alright, you guys, so I think we're done. Ta-da! This is it. Thank you so much for watching. I think I did a pretty good job. I am excited for Leo to see his tree, and everything matches really nicely. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed decorating with me. Would you guys like to see a video where I decorate the girls' room next door? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, what do you think about my tree? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye, guys.
Doesn't matter if it's Christmas.